Morning, everybody.
Hey, guys.
So we are officially doing our first Sawdust Diaries.
Sawdust Diaries, that's what we're calling this
That's
thing.
right, that's the name.
Thank you guys for all of the input and ideas for different things. You guys really kind of provoked a lot of thought. Sawdust Diaries is what we came up with.
For today, we are going to actually head up to Flagstaff. We're gonna go check out a new sawmill and see what they have as far as material for tables, signs, and take a drive and see what they got. And on the way up there, we're gonna talk about some stuff. So let's go.
Safety first, buckle your seatbelts.
Oh yeah. Safety first, bring a gun.
Okay, guys, we just left the property, so we've got about I think somewhere around a 3-hour drive ahead of us, something like that. Again, we're going to Flagstaff. We're going to a brand new sawmill up there that we got referred to by Andrew over in Las Vegas, our buddy over there. And he said this guy Silas has some really cool stuff. So we're hoping to come home with maybe a slab or two, and anytime we can get away and do a road trip, that's fun too.
So guys, a couple things before we get up there. We're talking about doing a big meetup in October.
Yeah, in October sometime.
Yeah.
We're
so
kind of throwing out the idea.
Yeah, it's kind of thrown out there. We did it a couple years ago and it was a big success. We had a ton of fun. And then Mom got diagnosed with cancer and a bunch of other crazy stuff happened. So if that's something you guys are interested in, basically you'd be hanging out at our property and we'll do a little bit of woodworking and hanging out, barbecue, drink some beer.
Yeah, well, you know, it's not going to be an official class or training, or it's basically going to be a hangout, but we will have you know, the shop will be open. If you guys have questions, we might do a little demo, but it's going to be very informal, kind of like it was a few years ago, 2 years ago, which was absolutely a blast.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. We had a great time. So if that's something that you guys would be interested in doing, leave a comment, let us know. And also send us an email, like if you're really serious, you know, depending on where you're at. Last time we were able to get some deals on hotel rooms and stuff, local hotel rooms, or if you have a camper, you can come and park on the property. So there is kind of limited availability.
Yeah, yeah. So if you guys want to, again, have some interest, it's not a done deal yet. If you guys have some interest, let us know so that we can kind of gauge how many people might be coming. If nobody's interested, then we probably won't do it.
Yeah,
we'll just hang out, me and you.
We'll just hang out and drink beer.
Yeah, there you go.
That sounds like fun. All right, guys. So again, if you're interested, let us know. Leave a comment, shoot us an email, and we're gonna head up to Flagstaff and go check out this mill, see what they got.
Hopefully, we'll have some really good footage for you guys. That's what we're hoping. All right, guys, stick around.
Freaking A.
Yeah, she'll make out a complete receipt and the whole deal. Do we want to move this? Right?
Yeah.
Okay, well.
All right, we're here. This is a AP lumber mill.
Yes.
Right? Check this out, guys. We got all kinds of stuff to look at. So we're looking for alligator juniper. Right, that's kind of what we're going for here. So they've got pine, they've got a little bit of walnut.
They got some ash, the alligator juniper, which is really kind of was on our list. We never carved alligator juniper, but Andrew showed us some when we were in Vegas. Like, wow, I really like the looks of that stuff.
Yeah, it looks really good. And you guys got to see this. What did he call this stuff?
That's shaggy juniper.
Shaggy juniper. So you guys check this out. I've never heard of that. Have you, Dad?
No, never have.
No, but this stuff is freaking beautiful. It almost has like a Purple Heart look to it.
Like a cedar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he doesn't have any of this available right now. Otherwise, we'd probably get some of this.
This is for a customer.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I mean, we need to get our gloves on, but look at that stuff, man. That stuff is crazy looking. So
it's beautiful.
That'll be something in the future, I'm sure.
Yeah, he said that we could, you know, let him know. He doesn't sell a lot of it, but if we're interested in it, next time we come up, let him know, and he'll have a couple logs maybe for us to look at. We might buy a whole log and then just have him mill it.
That would be freaking awesome. But this is what we're looking at right now. This is that alligator juniper, and it's kind of cool because you can see it came from a fire. So he said that a lot of this stuff they cut dead standing, so the moisture content on it is pretty low, just cut straight off the mill. So we're gonna.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
No, go ahead.
You're right. Yeah, look at the grain in that.
Oh yeah.
I love that grain. I think that would just look really spectacular, and I think that would carve pretty well too.
So is this considered? This is considered a softwood, right?
You know, I don't know. I really don't. I know there's certain criteria that calls it soft, or it could be soft like marshmallow, but be literally categorized as a hardwood.
Oh.
It has to do with the leaves, and I don't know, you guys would know more than I would, but it has to do with the leaves and the way the process of the tree goes, whether it's strictly a hardwood or a softwood. On juniper, I just don't know.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna set this up, and Dad and I are gonna unstack this this stack here. And he said he just cut this. Nobody's ordered it yet, so this is like the, I don't know, the freshest crop, so to speak, he's got.
Yeah.
So let's stack it up, or let's unstack it and see what we can find.
All right, good. That is pretty.
I guess we can't just do that side first.
Yeah, I guess we have to kind of.
I think we ought to just lay him down here. That way we know that goes on this side.
That's a good idea.
Ooh, that one's a little beat up. It's starting to rain.
Yeah, they're a little over 7.
Okay.
Starting to rain. Shut up.
Look at the log.
Watch your fingers.
I do think 1 inch might be a bit too small.
Yeah, see, 1 inch is too thin, I think.
Yeah.
What else have we got in there? Well, those next ones down are 2 and probably 2.5.
So let's go down a couple more. Looks like this one and this one might be nice.
These are heavier, huh? These are.
These are
pretty much a full 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, a full 2.
What do you think about the cracks running along them?
Well, we could probably fill them with resin.
Yeah. Even if we did like a bighorn sheep or something like that, and put like a light blue, almost like a turquoise. That one's kind of cool looking.
Yeah, that one's a little narrow.
Yeah. What about the backside of this?
Right now, I think it's between these two.
I think so, yeah. Would we have to dig that piece of bark out of there?
Probably. That's why I'm leaning more toward this one.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, that one looks good.
That one's pretty cool. You want me to go ahead and lift the tailgate?
Yeah. All right, guys, so we picked out a couple really beautiful boards, man.
Alligator juniper.
Yeah.
So it'll be the first time carving that stuff. It's got some cracks, got some defects, but we're gonna fill it. I'm really excited to kind of get into it.
I am too. We have a couple ideas for what we want to carve on one of them, but I think with the cracks and stuff, we're gonna have to kind of play around and figure out what we want to do with it.
Yeah.
But man, that's nice looking wood.
It is. It is nice. It was raining on us there for a minute.
Yeah, for a little bit. Not bad.
Yeah, not bad. Just sprinkles.
Pro tip, guys, when you're going through a stack of lumber and you find what you're looking for, stack it back up. Don't just leave a mess for somebody else to clean up. So we're gonna stack our lumber back up, and then
we're heading down the hill.
Head down the hill for 3 hours.
Yeah.
All right, let's get to work.
All right. Are we recording?
Yep.
All right, guys, we are leaving AP Lumberyard.
Yeah,
right?
AP Lumberyard.
Yeah.
Yeah, up in Flagstaff.
Yeah.
So guys, if you don't have like much access to lumber, like we don't, honestly, with where we're at, we have Home Depot.
Yeah, Lowe's.
Yeah. Now we do have Andrew's place down in Vegas, but he's got it's not exactly what we're looking for. Well, a lot of it. Some of it definitely is. But he's got a lot of really large slabs for huge, like, conference tables, things like that.
Yeah, in the $700, $800, $900 range, which is, you know, a little beyond what we're looking for.
Yeah, but you know, just look around, talk to people that are kind of in that industry. Like we heard about Silas in this place from Andrew, and man, it's freaking a gold mine out here.
Yeah.
Do we want to tell them? They're going to ask what we paid for those slabs.
Yeah, no, we can tell them. We paid $180 a piece.
Yeah, so $360 for both those slabs, and you know, depending on where you're at, you can make good money on something like that.
Well, we'll find out.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah. And if you want to figure gas, you know, whatever, you know, over 400, I don't know what gas costs us up here, up and back, half a day's time. So yeah, we've got some investment in those two slabs, but I think they're going to make really cool tables, and I think we're going to make some money off of them. It was definitely worth it, and having a connection with Silas now. He said if we want some special, some of that shaggy juniper, then he'll, you know, give him a heads up and he'll get some for us. So as well as the alligator juniper or pine or whatever.
Yeah, whatever we want, basically.
Yeah, so that's very cool. We now have another source, a good, reliable source, and a really good selection of stuff. He had tons of stuff that we could have got.
Oh, yeah, he had a massive selection. But yeah, just go see what you guys can find if you're looking for a lumber source. And don't be afraid to make a day trip out of it, because that's essentially what we did. Right,
and you know, the other thing is check with arborists or the reclaimers. In almost every big city, big metropolitan area, there will be somebody that is a reclaimer, and the arborists will know where those are. So we actually got that tip from years ago from the guys down at Wine Bar Glass Sawmill.
Oh, yeah. I haven't met them, but
super nice guys. He said in every metropolitan area or big area, there'll be reclaimers that do nothing but that. They'll fell trees or go down out where trees have fallen, and then reclaim that stuff and cut it up into slabs. And if you can get it direct from the mill, like here, like, to be honest, if we'd got this from Andrew, it would have cost us a lot more.
Yeah,
a lot
would
more.
have. All right, guys, we will see you guys on the next one. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like.
So this is...
crap, what did we say?
It's
Woodshop
Diaries. No, not Woodshop.
No, not Woodshop. Sawdust Diaries.
Sawdust Diaries.
Yeah.
So...
we're going to have to write that down.
Yes, we're going to have to write it down. Sawdust Diaries, signing off for now.
All right. We'll see you guys later.
See you on the next one, guys. Bye.
Bye.